Hi, awesome students. This is Miss Jessica speaking. In this occasion, we'll learn about parallel structure. Do you know why I chose this picture as the cover? Alright, let's find out. So, let's start with this question. What is parallel structure? It is a technique in writing to balance a sentence. Okay, so I think now you know why I chose this picture as the cover. So it shows a balance, and it reminds us that in life we need balance. And a sentence also needs to be balanced. Well, but why is it so important to study the parallel structure? Yes, as I said before, it's a technique in writing, so it will be very useful in your writing later. Because when you make your sentence with parallel structure, then your sentence will sound stronger. Okay, please pay attention to these three sentences. What's the difference? The first one, I like to sing and dancing. The second, I like to sing and to dance. The third one, I like singing and dancing. Which of these sentences are correct? Okay, the second sentence is correct. I like to sing and to dance. The third one is also correct. I like singing and dancing. And what about the first one? Is it incorrect or correct? Well, it's incorrect. Do you know why? Okay, let's see here. Please pay attention to the underlined words here. It's a verb, right? To sing. What about this? Dancing. Is it also a verb? Well, a parallel structure should have the same form. We make these two words parallel, so they have to be in the same form and the same part of speech. But here, unfortunately, to sing and dancing, they are not the same part of speech. So the correct sentence should be I like to sing and to dance. This one is correct. Please pay attention here. I like to sing. So now it has infinitive verb to sing and to dance. It is also infinitive verb. So both of them are infinitive verb. Okay, let's see the second example. Okay, so this is the third sentence. I like singing and dancing. We change to sing to singing because it will follow dancing here. And both of them has the same part of speech, are in the same part of speech. So both of them are gerund and it is noun. Okay, so there are some important points that you should pay attention when you use parallel structure in a sentence. Well, you will find out connectors, and you will identify the part of speech. So to make the sentence balance, the sentence need to have similar part of speech. So yeah, so with the same part of speech, it will form a parallel sentence. Okay, so parallel structures are required in the following situations. First, with coordinating conjunctions. So this is one of the connectors. Coordinating conjunctions consist of for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. It is famous for these acronyms, fanboys. Okay, let's see here. Which one is the connector? But is the connector. And the parallel parts are a teacher and a lawyer. And they are both nouns. The second sentence. The papers are on my desk or in the drawer. What is the connector? Yes, it's or. And which one is the parts that should be parallel? It's on my desk and in the drawer. Okay. The second situation is with paired conjunctions or correlative conjunctions. More or less, they have same functions as the first one, coordinating conjunctions. But paired conjunctions or correlative conjunctions has two parts. It is a paired one. For example, the first one, either Jack or Jill has the book. So which one is the connector? Yes, it's either or. Second sentence, both the teacher and the students have the book. Which one is the connector? Both and. The third one, neither Ginny nor Mary can drive. The connectors is neither nor. The last one, he is not only kind but also handsome. The connectors is not only but also. I believe that you have learned about this. Okay, the third situations when you need parallel structure is with comparison. These are some examples, but you can find others. To be rich is better than to be poor. The connector is better than. Their car is as big as a small house. So the connector is as big as blah 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 as. The third one, your dress looks similar to mine. Here the connectors is similar to. Okay, now we will identify the connector and part of speech. The papers are on my desk or in the drawer. Which one is the connector? Yes, it's or. And on my desk and in the drawer is the prepositional phrase. they have similar part of speech. Second sentence. She is not a teacher but a lawyer. The connector is but, and here we make a teacher and a lawyer parallel, and both of them are nouns. The third one, he is not only kind but also handsome. The connectors are not only but also, and kind and handsome is the part that should be parallel, and they are adjectives.